Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Capricorn, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Capricorn. And I have a pick a card fairy tale story pick a card love reading, guys, so that will come right after this general reading. If you are interested, you can watch that, guys. Capricorn. So we have 8 of Wands in reverse, Star, and High Priestess. So Capricorn, with these cards in your situation, guys, today, it may be in your career or personal life. So people are really envious of you, guys. You are really successful or happy and talented, skilled maybe, and they are simply jealous of you. They want to grab your opportunities, and you have a very bright future, and people really are envious about that fact. So they see you as a very talented, skilled person, responsible, working hard and achieving everything. And maybe you have faced your share of troubles, but today, whatever your situation is, you are having that balance in your situation, balance in your life. That may be the reason people are quite jealous of how you have overcome your troubles, faced all bad situation with that courageous face. And maybe for some of you, I also see that you are having that clear knowledge about some situation. Maybe something was not been revealed to you. Maybe it may be some kind of a secret, or some kind of a knowledge regarding some situation. Maybe you did not know about it before, you were thinking about it for a long time, or you were expecting to understand a particular situation or a person, but today you know with clarity what is there in their heart, their true intentions. So that has brought that happiness because you understand well and they have good intention towards you. So you are happy for it, guys. And it may be with this person you love, you understand them with clarity, or it may be some situation in your career you were facing lot of obstacles, and you wanted to know what went wrong or what is the right thing to do. So some kind of understanding has happened in your life today, guys. Capricorn. And maybe for some of you, you are planning to start a family with this person, or they are planning to start a family, have a child with you. So some kind of a happy news is there in your situation today, guys. So that is what I see with these cards for your general energy, guys. Let's see what is a card for your relationship. It is 10 of Wands in reverse. So with this card in your situation, guys, there are certain misunderstandings with this person you love, but you are working really hard, facing lot of difficulties for this love, for this person, guys, or it may be their energy, guys. So they are facing lot of difficulties to be in this relationship with you. So it is in your hands whether you take it towards the positive side or the negative side, guys. Capricorn. So the card for your relationship, we have Page of Swords. So with this card in your situation, guys, something which you did not know, some knowledge is being revealed. So that may be in your career situation, guys. So you are having that clarity today when you're making some important decisions for yourself in your career situation, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching, Capricorn. If you are interested, stay tuned for that fairy tale pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your fairy tale story, guys, we have two cards here. So if you are interested to watch this reading, you can just close your eyes, think about your situation, then open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card. This is your first card. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so I will start with this card first. So let's see what it is. The Rose Elf, Revelations. So for those who have chosen this card, the first card, guys, it just means that whatever truth, however hard you try, maybe you are trying to hide something, or this person you are in relationship with, they are trying to hide something, but truth will come out one day, maybe not today, but it will surely come out. So you can never hide truth. That is the basic meaning of this card, guys. And however hard you are suppressing it, you are hiding some secrets, or they are hiding some secrets from this person, or it may be something you did, some kind of unkindness or rude behavior or some kind of abuse you are facing. So though you are not revealing that, it may be from someone very close to you. So they are harming you in some way, or you are doing that to someone, but you can never suppress it for a long time, guys. It is going to come out someday, and justice will take its natural course. So you can never escape from the evil things or the bad things that happens. Maybe we are in the receiving end, but we are ready to forgive this person and move on, but still the things that have been done to us, someday it will come to the surface, and that person will get the results for the evil deed. So if we do something good, we will reap the good results, guys, but if we do something bad, we are going to reap the bad things. It is the natural law of the world. So though you are trying really hard to cover up with our actions, or try to hide those secrets, whatever it is going to come to surface. So maybe if you are seeing someone like that in your situation, maybe you see someone in troubles, in some worrying situation, you can give them hope and instill faith in their heart. So this fairy tale story is about that, guys. So we have to have faith and hope in the future, and justice will surely come to pass. That is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. And that is the reading with this card. So let's start with the second card. So let's see what is the story with the second card, guys. So we have the Frog Prince. So with this card, it just means that we are trying to close ourselves. Maybe we are afraid of intimacy, we are afraid of opening our heart to someone, and we are trying to avoid people, or trying to avoid someone But today we have to have that understanding that if we want a deep, meaningful connection, we should not be afraid to have that open heart to heart communication and that openness in our relationship, guys. So, there is someone who is wishing to be in connection with you very deeply, but you are rejecting them. And you are not, maybe for some of you, you are rejecting someone, or for some of you, you are not keeping your word, keeping some promise. So, it is time for you to keep up your word, guys. And maybe sometimes when we become too close to someone, we have that discomfort at the beginning because this person knows everything about us or will know everything about us. But it is time you share your feelings, affection, and be with that person if you want that deep, meaningful love, meaningful connection, guys. So that is what this card is about, guys. So the person who you feel is worthy for you is the right person. You can share your deep thoughts or whatever wishes and dreams you have for yourself with them. Only then you will be able to establish that beautiful relationship, guys. So that is the meaning with this card, guys. For those who have chosen the second card, that is your reading. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.